Today is the day!
We're going to Bali!
Let's go! Everyone ready?
Yes! Let's go!
The airport is huge!
Wow!
It is! Let's keep moving.
What an adventure!
Our flight is ready.
Awesome!
See? Gate A1, boarding now.
Yay! Let's go!
All right, stay with me.
We're flying!
Look outside. Wow, the clouds look like a fluffy ocean, and the sun is painting them pink and orange. It's magical, isn't it?
The clouds look magical.
Like cotton candy.
This place is beautiful. I love it already.
Welcome to paradise, everyone.
Wow, look at that. Let's go explore. Look at these flowers.
They're so colorful.
This place is amazing.
Let's see what's over there.
Let's enjoy the beach.
Yes!
This is fun. Let's make it bigger. What a beautiful place.
It's unforgettable.
Best trip ever. A perfect family adventure.
One will always remember.
I love you guys. We love you too, sweetie.